President Donald Trump has filed a massive $15 billion libel lawsuit against the New York Times and 4 of its reporters. He's accusing the paper of acting as nothing more than a mouthpiece for the Democratic Party. This marks the latest in a long line of legal battles Trump has launched against major news outlets. The lawsuit specifically mentions several articles published by the Times, including a fiery editorial that called him unfit for office. It also targets a book written by Times investigative reporters Russ Buechner and Susan Craig, titled Lucky Loser: How Donald Trump Squandered His Father's Fortune and Created the Illusion of Success. In the court filing, Trump's attorneys allege, quote, "The book and articles are part of a decades-long pattern by the New York Times of intentional and malicious defamation against President Trump." The suit goes further, accusing the journalists and the paper of, again, quote, "maliciously publishing the book and the articles, knowing that these publications were filled with repugnant distortions and fabrications about President Trump." This libel suit was filed before the Middle District Florida Federal Court. Now, this legal move comes just days after Trump threatened to sue the New York Times over another controversy, one involving a lewd drawing and birthday message for Jeffrey Epstein, allegedly signed by Trump himself. The alleged note appeared in Epstein's 50th birthday book. Scans of that book were released by the House Oversight Committee last week. But President Trump has strongly denied ever signing it, and the White House even questioned the authenticity of the note. The Times, however, published a detailed piece breaking down the handwriting and pointing to its striking resemblance to Trump's own signatures and letters from the late 1980s through the early 2000s. In response, Trump's personal lawyer reportedly reached out to the paper, claiming the article was further evidence of, quote, malicious fabrications. According to the Times, Trump's attorney also demanded both a retraction and an apology. For more on these developments, check out the full article linked in the description. And before you go, what do you think about Trump's lawsuit against the New York Times? Is it a fight for truth, or just another political battle? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below, and don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more updates.